Hey guys, I just wanted to come on here real quick and do just a little video and show you the giveaway that I'm doing. I got it all together and there's actually going to be 2 giveaways, but I only have one here to show you. So here's all the stuff for the giveaway. We have the Jeffree Star bag, and we have some Clinique, Lorac foundation. It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, a It Cosmetics complexion brush. We have some Ardell lashes. Right here is Ulta eyeshadow, highlighter, blush, contour, and then we have another highlight, blush, contour, and translucent powder by It Cosmetics. And then over here's a mask, and there's a little sample of some lipsticks by Stila. There's an eyebrow pencil, some cleanser, some Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer, color pop polish, and it's that color. A little, it's called a lipstick bag, a Coty Airspun powder, and then there's some Moroccan oil for hair, and back here is some Tarte banana powder, It Cosmetics, and then here's some samples of like shampoo and makeup and skincare and perfume. And then this bag back here kind of matches this one, but this bag right here will hold almost every bit of that stuff. So it's a really big bag. So I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you all what's in the first giveaway when we reach 100 subscribers. And I will see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.